Yes, so we are starting with the slide making, but before that I just want to give you an insight into how important is the face structure when we design a hairline. Yeah, it is very important to measure the facial one-thirds.
Yeah.
Measure the facial one-thirds when you design a hairline, because your hairline can make your face look bigger or smaller.
Yep.
So if you have a long face structure, you want to make sure that you do not get your hairline too much in the sun. Otherwise, it will make your lower face look longer. And when you have a shorter face, you want to make sure that you get it a little bit down there, so that your face looks more symmetrical. So very important is to balance the one-third of the face when you do a hair transplant, or when you design a hairline or a hair transplant.
Yeah.